How to remove your Apple ID from an iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign out of your Apple account, whether you're switching to a new account or preparing to sell, trade, or give away your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap your name at the top of the screen. Next, scroll all the way down and tap Sign Out. But I don't want it, so you can do it. If the sign out option is unavailable or grayed out, open Screen Time settings and check whether content and privacy restrictions are preventing account changes. Once you tap Sign Out, you'll see options depending on your situation. If you're planning to sell, trade in, or give away the device, you can choose to erase the iPhone after signing out. This removes your personal data and prepares the device for its next owner. If you're simply switching to another Apple account, choose to sign out without erasing the device. This keeps your photos, apps, and other data stored on the iPhone while removing the current account. Tap Continue, then review the information shown on the screen. Signing out will disable Find My iPhone and remove saved payment cards associated with that Apple account. Finally, enter your Apple account password to confirm. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the prompts to recover or reset it. That's it. You've successfully removed your Apple ID from your iPhone and can now either sign in with a different account or prepare the device for a new owner.